How to reset control center in iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. First up, launch your control center. Swipe down from the right corner of your screen. Once you get access to your control center, now how to reset it? For that, what you have to do is click on the plus icon given at the top left. With that, you have just enabled customizable mode for the control center. If you want to remove any of the control, click on this minus icon in this way. With iOS 18 update, you are able to resize the control center in this way. In order to add a new control, click on the option of Add a Control. With that, you're going to find the list of the controls that you can add to your control center. Just go ahead and click on it. Let me add a few controls. Once you are done with adding the controls, you can click anywhere, and with that it will be saved. So this way you can easily reset control center in iPhone iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.